Hey guys, another video here. We're getting ready to do some welding on the trailer, put some lights on it. Question I have is, what kind of lights goes on a big trailer like this? 32 feet long. I'm putting 2 amber up front here, up here, and then just 2 red stoplight blinkers back there on each side. Is that all I need? I think it is. I'm not for sure. I don't know if I need the 3 lights in the middle or not. But take a look. Got my son over here doing some welding, and we're just going to keep working on it. Working on the anchor windlass, trying to weld old rusty stuff. All right, hey guys, hooking up some lights. The wires are going to be permanent, but the connections and everything is just temporary. What I want to do is get lights on it, put a plate on it. It's not the plate that goes with this trailer, it's for my other pontoon trailer, but I just want to take it up and get it weighed without the boat on it, with all the accessories and everything, and then come back and work on it a little bit more, and then put it underneath the boat. And once I get the boat on it, then I'm going to take it up and weigh it again, so I'll know how much weight or how much the boat actually weighs. So yeah, let's hook this up real quick, and we'll go from there. I'm probably going to get different lights, LEDs, and waterproof. These are not waterproof. And then these, you have to push them in to get them connected, and I really don't like those. Then we'll cut these off just a little more. All right, let's see if it'll come on. Well, look at there. It did, it came on. I don't know if you can see it, but it did. But it's not blinking. Wonder why that is. All right, well, I'm gonna have to dive into that. All right, hey guys, look at this. This is my, I don't know what you call it. It's not really a windlass, but it helps me get the anchor up. This case is what goes over this. And what you do is you wrap your rope around there, and then this has a foot button on it that you push, and it just helps you wind up your rope and your anchor. So let's try it. I welded a whole bunch, and I'll show you that here in a bit. But let's see if it works. Look at there. You barely have to push that button, and it works. Of course, I have to, I'm going to take the motor off of it and clean all the gears and everything, and then grease it up again. Let me show you the back of it. Or the bottom of it. It was so rusted out that my son, he welded a couple angle irons on it, and then a bottom plate. And this is what it looks like now. It was all rusted right up through here. You couldn't weld anything to it. So we had to weld the angle iron on the inside and then the bottom plate on. And then I have to drill some holes for this plate that fits right on top of the deck. My wires goes through one hole, and then there's two stainless steel bolts that I put in. So I'm going to be working on that, cleaning that up, and drilling the holes in that. So that's what I did today. Today is Sunday, the 13th, I think, March the 13th. So I'll kind of show you. We did that, we welded that up, and I'm going to have to do something here. This is plastic, and it's broke right here on the back side of it. And I'm going to figure out what I can do. I'm going to clean all that up, paint it white, and make it look good. Replace the wires in it with all heavy-duty wires. I may even put a new switch in it, but that one works really well, so if it ain't broke, don't touch it, I guess. So, but if you have any suggestions on how I can fix this plastic right here, either put some fiberglass on it or some cloth or something, I don't know. We're going to work on that, but I got that. And then I'll take you out here. Look at that. Can't wait to ride that thing. I'm going to take you outside here and show you what I did on the trailer. Okay, as you can see, I put lights. My son welded the brackets on there. And I ran the wires, put the lights on there. Plus, I put a roller on here. Had to buy the stainless steel rod and washers, and that was not cheap. But I've got 4 more I need to put on there. I got all the bars there, I just need the rollers. Plus I put new bunks on. They're 4x6s, treated. And then I wrapped them in glue and carpet. So I did that. Once I get these rollers on and get the 2 side pieces on that kind of guides the boat, then we're going to try to put this underneath the trailer. I do have to do some painting on it though. So we're getting there. Hey guys, I'm going to end this video right here. Like I said, it's Sunday, March the 13th, I think. Beautiful weather. I think it got up to 70 degrees here. We still got some snow on the ground a little bit, but it's melting away. So we're supposed to get up to like 72, 73 on Wednesday. And man, I just can't wait. But I'm going to drop this video off here, get it edited, get it back on YouTube here fairly quick. Just wanted to show you a little bit about what I did to the trailer. And we're just going to start videoing every day and see if we can't get one of these a week out. So thanks for being with me. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe and leave me a comment. A suggestion will help. As soon as the ground dries out, I get the trailer back under the boat. We're going to start on the boat, prepping it and getting it painted, and putting a swim platform on, which I have right here. And we're going to start painting that, filling the holes in it, get it back on the boat, and then I'm putting a motor pod underneath of it. Not quite sure about the motor yet, but we'll work on that. So, hey, we'll see you soon. Thanks.